Froggy 123 dude and pudding. The lonely world without pudding.
What? You just have it? You just that's what you had.
It was pudding, you idiot.
You don't need to punch me. Stop. Do you get hurt?
No.
Try your pudding today.
There's more.
Pudding today. A $10 offer for a value of $10. We're going to give it to you today for $5. Better offer. We're going to give it to you for $5.99.
I'm gonna put you through a door.
What?
What?
So get your pudding today.
Call 1-800-I-WANT to buy the pudding. But before buying the pudding, please consult with your family doctor today because pudding may not be right for you. Pudding may cause side effects as diarrhea, peeing through your nose, cramping, or thoughts of suicide, killing, and murdering your family. Pudding may not be right for you. We are not responsible for any human injuries
Or death.